I'm just unboxing this right now. And this is how our new rear radius arm base protector left and right arm looks like for the Ford Bronco. All the way from Israel, guys. Shalom and Boker Tov. And this is how it looks like. Wow, it's looks really cool. And the weight too, pretty solid. There you go. That's what I was gonna say. That it's pretty solid. Can't wait to install this. This is how it is unwrapped. Wow, nice and solid, guys. Love the red. Now our Bronco's gonna start to look like Christian Louboutin shoes at the bottom heel with all this red. This is the instructions right here and the hardware. So I just finished reading the instructions and I got really excited and I already like semi-installed it already. All I have to do now is just hook it up to the Bronco and this is how it looks like. I already pre-assembled it and it's going to go, how's it gonna go? Something like that. So I'm just gonna unscrew everything again. It's going to go something like this. There you go. And its job is to protect this. See how we already did a few damages here already from the trails? Yup, like right there too. That's why we really need this. So this piece right here, we just put it right here and then we just fish it. There you go. There. And then we just make sure it's aligned and put it in like this. And then we screw it on. To do this part, since we have a gas tank skid plate, it's really kind of difficult to tighten it, but it's a really good tight squeeze. It still fits. I had to clip this part. Not sure if you guys could see it. This black piece right there. We had to clip it and then screw it on from right there. It's kind of difficult, but it's doable. So I actually bended this a little bit, so it'll be easier for you to put it on or install it on. There, finish tightening it down. And this is how it looks like. So we're now here in the driver's side, and man, look at the hits on this. That's why it's about time that we're putting armor on this piece right here. So that part right there is all finished. And we're now going to be installing this side. So with this, I would have to bend this because once I put it here, it sticks out.
Yeah.
So now I would have to bend it. So here, let's bend it. Ready? Set, go.
You're so strong.
No. Okay, there.
There.
There, I bended it. I'll bend it some more.
Yeah. There you go.
There. Wow, I can't believe I'm bending steel.
I know.
Or aluminum or whatever this is. Okay, so it's gonna go like, so just probably bend it a little bit more then,
Yeah.
huh? Okay, just a little bit more. All right, so I just have to bend it just a little bit more. There?
I think that's gooder.
fine.
Yeah.
I had to do that too in the other side. Okay.
I think that's now better.
There
Yeah.
you go.
So we will not
There.
get caught.
Perfect.
Let's see.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there. All right.
Okay.
We got that part in like that. And now we're going to do the other side right here.
There you go.
So we're just screwing it all in now.
Yep.
We're all completely done. We got the driver's side and the passenger side all bolted down. This is how it looks like. This side is way easier than the passenger side, because the passenger side you have a gas tank and it's really tight to do it. So this part right here, we made sure it's not going to mess with the lower control arm. So we slightly bended it right here. There we go. So there will be no interference. Here at Northern Cafe, and we got ourselves some spicy beef noodle soup. Oh my gosh, this is so delicious. So we got ourselves the juicy pork dumpling right here, and then we got ourselves the spicy pork wonton. All right, let's do this. Woo-wee. All right, we're back here at Ever After, and we got ourselves their mangoes frosty drink. Yep, this is so delicious. Wait, am I bending it right? Wait, it has to bend like this or going... Wait, is it supposed to be going up or down?
I think you need to go up, no?
Go up? Hold on, let me double check.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me double check. Up, right?
Yeah, so you won't
damn it.
get caught
Okay.
anywhere.
Okay, ready?
Uh-huh.
Oh, there, I just straightened it.
You're so strong.
No.